Welcome, in front of me is an LG K61 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD into the device. So as you can see I have both prepared right here, and before we started you will need a SIM eject tool as this one. They can provide it with the device in a box so you can find it somewhere in there. But you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the edges and it should work just as well. So from there I'm going to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper right side of the device. Once you press it in, you will see that it pops out, and from here you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So place them accordingly. There we go, like so. And then while holding the SD card securely, because actually no, it doesn't fall out even, so that's nice. So you can simply just slide it back into the device. There we go. And wait for the pin, at least in my case, I need a pin. So the SIM card is working, and I also can see already the SD card message. So both of them are working just fine, as you can see. And that is how you would insert SIM and SD into the device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.